Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss a case law given from the Kerala High Court, Honorable Justice V.G. Arun, regarding the child labor. The simple point is whether selling of pens, pencils and other sundry articles on the streets amounts to forced labor or not. So, Justice V.G. Arun of Kerala High Court, in the case of Pappu Bavaria and another versus District Collector, Civil Station and others. Right, in WP, Writ Petition Civil number 41572 by 2022, dated 6/1/2023, clearly held that children helping the parents in selling their articles is not child labor. Already I told you in the human rights class, if you remember, it is okay. Prevention of Child Labor Act 1996, of course, 76 it was there. It is given an exception that if the children after their school hours, if they attend to the avocation of the parents, if they assist the business of their parents in the holidays or after the school work is over, it is not an offense. Right? It is, now this case is an extension of the same. Now these people, they are not going to the schools. Actually, you know that the children, there should be free and compulsory education for the children between 6 to 14 years. It is the directive principle of the state policy and you all know that. But the important point is how to feed the family. That is discussed in this particular case. Now, let us go to discuss the factual matrix. Right. On November 20, that is 27th November, I think, Varia or Rabbit, on 29th. On 29/11/2022, two children or juveniles by name Vikas Bavaria and Vishnu Bavaria, they were nabbed or found by the police while they were selling the pens and other sundry articles in the Marine Drive in Kerala state. And when the police nabbed them, they said that their parents, they are originally from Rajasthan, but they migrated to Delhi and they are living in slum areas and living by selling the so-called pens and other things. But due to this season, particularly in this season, that is due to the inclement weather, they cannot bear the so-called cool temperature of Delhi. So therefore, you may be knowing, yesterday it was only 1.9 degrees Celsius. So in this particular season, they used to come to other part of the country, southern part of the country, that is Kerala, and there they eke out their livelihood by selling the pens. Therefore, of course, children, they told the truth. So immediately they were taken to the CWC, that is Child Welfare Committee, who treated it as a case of forced labor and detained them or sent them to the shelter home. So definitely please remember, they need care and protection as per section 2 within 14 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act 2015. So the opinion of the CWC, Child Welfare Committee, is that they are being forced into labor. Forced labor is going on because the children, they need education, they need nutritious food, they need development. But instead of that, these people are being utilized for selling the pens, which is not at all correct. Therefore, they have sent him to the shelter home. Now, the parents, that is Pappu Bavaria and others, they filed a writ petition before the Honorable High Court, and High Court actually, see, the judge says he is at a loss as to how the activity of the children amounts to child labor. I do not understand. He says, he started with that only. I do not understand how helping the parents by selling the so-called their own articles can come into child labor. So this does not. So the no doubt the children need overall development and all these things. But please remember, their children, they have come to assist their parents. This is the main problem. They can assist their children. The two particular, they were caught in the evening area. Suppose if they were caught in during the so-called class hours, they would have been otherwise. But since they were caught during evening time selling the pens and other sundry articles, it cannot come under child labor. I do not understand. I am at a loss to understand yes, the activity of the children, how it amount to child labor. Not at all. Release them. So the judge ordered the release of them. So normally here the important point is, even I told you that the children can assist their parents in their business after the school hours are over. Here they are not at all being sent to the school. Definitely the child welfare committee is also correct. But anyway, it is the opinion of the judge. Yes, justice, judge made law, we can't help. So very good case for taking out the children if at all found by selling your articles. So please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge, particularly regarding juvenile justice, because I am sure you may get a question on the particular topic, Juvenile Justice Act, in jurisprudence also. So please read the case law. That is Pappu, Bavaria and another versus District Collector, Civil Station and others 2023 case. Okay. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.